This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the tailgate, then push the locking tabs forward and remove the access cover from the luggage compartment trim panel. If working on the right-hand side, remove the tyre repair kit and the foam mounting box. If working on the left-hand side, take off the luggage compartment cover bracket. Reach in through the trim panel opening and slacken the 2 light cluster plastic retaining nuts. Using a small screwdriver, release the sealing grommet from the top of the light cluster. Pull the light cluster rearwards, depress the clip and disconnect the wiring plug. Release the clips and detach the bulb holder assembly from the light cluster. Depress the relevant bulb, rotate it anti-clockwise and pull it from the bulb holder. Align the bayonet pins of the bulb with the slots in the holder, then insert it and twist it clockwise to secure. Most bayonet pin bulbs will only fit correctly in one position. The pins are offset. Refit the bulb holder to the light cluster, ensuring the retaining clips engage. Reconnect the wiring plug, then maneuver the light cluster into place. Re-engage the sealing grommet with the light cluster. Refit and securely tighten the plastic retaining nuts. Refit the luggage compartment cover bracket and the access cover.